Good morning, class 10. Today is 4th August. I will continue with the chapter number 27, probability. I will take the topic playing cards. The question come to this topic. There are 52 cards, and when you shuffle the pack of 52 cards, you must not be knowing everything. Everybody doesn't know about the playing cards, and so there are 52 cards and there are 4 suits. Let's see what are the 4 suits. First is spades, clubs, heart, diamond. 13 cards of each suits. 13 cards of spades, 13 cards of clubs, 13 cards of heart, 13 cards of diamond. Now let's see how 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means 9 cards. Similarly in the club, 9 card from 2 to 10. 9 card in the heart, 2 to 10. 9 cards in the diamond, 2 to 10. Now there are 4 more cards. 4. Out of 39 I have told you, 4 are left. So one is J, Q, K, A. This is of spades. J means jack, Q means queen, K means king, A means ace. So 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 9 will be 13. So these are the 13 cards of the spade. Now let us discuss for the club. 2 to 10 there are 9 cards. Then J, Q, K, A. J jack of club, Q queen of club, K king of club, A ace of club. So again 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 9, 13 cards of club. Next heart. 2 to 10 there are 9 cards. Then jack, Q queen, K king, A ace of heart. So 9 plus 4 is 13 cards of hearts. Next diamond. 2 to 10 there are 9 cards. Then jack, queen, king, ace of diamond. So 9 plus 4 is 13 cards of diamond. Now out of these 4 cards, J, Q, K are known as the face cards. Not the ace is not ace A is not known as the face card. Only J, Q, K known as the face cards. So we will discuss the question now related to the cards. Now we will discuss one more thing. Total face cards. I have told you face card is jack, queen and king. 4 jack are there. Jack is there. 4 cards of queen, 4 cards of king. So that means total will be 12 face card. Let us do question number 13 of exercise 27 of page number 380. The question says that one card is drawn at random from a well-stuffed deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of an drawing an ace. Now, ace, how many ace cards are there? One is of spade, one card of club, and one of heart, one of diamond. So how many elements are there in the event? 4. And total element in the sample is 52. So the probability of getting an ace is 4 by 52. That is 1 upon 13. Second part says that find the probability of drawing an red suit. Now 5 of red suit. So 5 of red is, 1 is of heart, second 5 is of diamond. So number of element in the event will be 2. So probability of drawing and 5 of red suit will be 2 upon total is 52. So that when you cancel it, it will go 1 by 2 by 26 times. So 1 by 26 now. Third part, probability of getting a black queen. So again a black queen, 1 is of the spade, another black queen is of club. So number of elements in the event is 2. So probability of drawing a black queen will be 2 by total card is 52. So when you cancel, it is 1 by 26. Fourth part. Now in fourth part we have to find the jack of spades. Now jack of spade is only 1. There is only 1 card of jack in spade. So number of element in the event will be 1. Probability of drawing a jack of spade will be 1 by 52. Now fifth part. In fifth part, 10 of heart. Again 10 of heart is only 1. In heart card 10 will come only 1 time. So the element in the event will be 1. Probability of drawing in heart will be 1 by 52. Now next part is sixth part. Sixth part you have to find probability of drawing the face card. Just now I have told you how many face card are there. 4 of jack, 4 of queen and 4 of king. So total face card is 12 and sample is 52. So probability of drawing a face card is 12 by 52. Now you have to cancel. This will go 6 times, 26. This will go 3 times, 13. So probability of drawing a face card will be 3 by 13. This is the answer of the question number 13 given in the page number 330. So this is the way you have to do the question. Question number 14. It says that a card is drawn at random from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. So total cards are 52. First you have to find the probability that card drawn either king or a queen. Second part, neither a king nor a queen. Now let's do this question. First of all, total element in the sample space will be 52. Now first part, either king or a queen. Or is written, that means you have to take a king also and queen also. So how many king are there? Cards are there? 4. How many queen card are there? 4. So number of element in the event will be 4 of king, 4 of queen. That means 8 cards are there. Now if we have to find the probability of drawing a card, it's either king or a queen. That is number of element in the event upon number of element in the sample space. So 8 are there in the event and 52 are in the sample space. Now we will cancel it. It's 4 by 26, then 2 by 13. So the probability will be 2 by 13. Now second part. In second part, we have to find out the probability drawing a card. It's neither a king nor a queen. That means you don't have to take a king also and queen. So king are 4. I've already told you. Queen cards are 4. So that means 4 plus 4, 8. These 8 cards out of 52 you don't have to take. So what will be the number of element in the event will be 52 minus 8. That will be 44. So number of element in the event will be 44. So the probability of drawing a card, neither a king nor a queen, will be 44 divided by 52. Now we will cancel it. That is 22 by 26. Again we will cancel it. 11 by 13. So the probability is 11 upon 13. This is the answer of the question number 14. Question number 17. It says that 16 cards are labeled. So how many elements in the sample space will be there? 16. So first of all you will write this, then continue the question. You will read it. Are labeled as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P till P. Now they are put in a box and shuffled. A boy is asked to draw a card from the box. What is the probability that the card drawn is vowel? Second is consonant. Third is none of the letters of word median. So first of all we'll do it. First part, vowel. You have to take the vowels from this given set only. So let's find it out. The vowels present in this are, first is A, E, I, O. So these are the vowels present in the event A, E, I, O. So number of element in the event will be 4 and number of element in the sample is 16. So the probability of drawing a vowel will be 4 by 16. When you cancel it, it will be 1 by 4. Now second part, you have to take the consonant, that those who are not vowel. Either you can directly subtract 16, 4 with the 16, you will get to know, or you can write the remaining alphabets B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P. So count the number of element in the event 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Or you can do it, total are 16 and vowels are 4. So 12 will be your consonant in the given set. So the probability of getting it will be 12 by 16. That will be cancelled from the table of 4, 3 and this will be 4. So 3 by 4. Now third part they are saying none of the letters of word median. This word median is given to you. You don't have to take the letters of the word median, that means M you will not take, E, T, I, A, N from this given set. So you will not take this. So what will be the event? First of all let us write it. So you will not take the M, that is, let's cancel it. You will not take M, you will not take E, you will not take D, you will not take I, you will not take A, you will not take M. Now let us write down the element B, C, F, G, H, J, K, L, O, P. So these are the element of the event. Now let us count. It will come out to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So number of element in the event will be 10. So the probability of getting none of the letter from the word median 10 by 16. Now you will cancel with the table of 2. It will come out to be 5 by 18. So this is the answer of the question number 17. Question number 5th. I'll discuss this question with you. Last question. 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. Find the probability of getting 10 as a sum. So before doing the question, there are 2 dice. So let's write down the possibility of all the elements of the sample. So little bit it's lengthy. Let's write down. so that you learn it. So let's write down the all possible elements of the sample space. So let's do once. When you throw a dice, it can see both are having 2 on the head. Next time if you throw, one can get 2, other can get 3. So let's start with 1. First dice is having 1, second also gets 1. Then 1, 2, first is having 1, second is having 2. Similarly, you will write 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Then you will write with 2. First is getting on the face 2, other is 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Then 3, 1, first is getting 3, other one is getting 1 on the upper face. 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Then next 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Now how do you know that what is 4, 1 means? 4 means, it means first dice is getting 4 on the upper face and other one is getting the 1 on the dice. Then you will take 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5. You will say, how many ma'am elements are there? I'll tell you how to find out the number of element so that you can write down, because sometimes we don't know how many elements are there and we have to count. So let's see, I've told you about the coin, the formula. Here you will find out the number of element in sample. For coin I'm telling, sorry, for dice, it's dice. So first dice possibility is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. How many dice are there? 1 and 2. So 6 to the power 2. That is 36 possibilities are there. 36 elements will be there in the sample space. I have written it so I know it. You will count it and check like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 18, 24, like this 30, 36. So there are 36 elements in the sample space. Now let's do the question. The first part, it's saying that 10 as a sum on 2 number that turn up. Suppose when you throw a dice, such a way 10 come. Like first is having 4, other dice is having 6. So 4 plus 6 is 10, this way. So let's write down the element. That is, first you will write down 4, 6, 6, 4 also, 5, 5 also you can take. Only 3 possibilities. So number of element in the event will be 3. So probability will be 3 over total element in the sample is 36. So 1 by 12. Second part. In second part they are saying doublet of even number. Both will get even number, but doublet means 2. If first one is getting, other one will also get 2. So let's see. 2, 2, then 3 is not there, so 4, 4, 5 is not even, so 6, 6. So what are the possibilities again in the event? 3. So probability of getting doublet of even is 3 by 36, that is 1 by 12. Third part. In third part they are saying that you have to a total of at least 10. I've already told you in at least 10, some 10 आना चाहिए and greater than 10 also you can take. So it will be 4, 6, 6, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 12, 5, 6, 6, 5. Same way, this way you will take it. So it will approximately come out. How many elements will come out? It will come out to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of element in the event is 6. So the probability will be 6 upon 36, that is 1 by 6. Now fourth part. In fourth part we have to find the multiple of 3 as a sum of two number terms up. So let's do it. Let's do it, the question. So fourth, you have to take the multiple of 3. Sum of two numbers will be turn up as in the table of 3. So in the table of 3 it comes 3, 6, 9, 12 like this. So maximum it can be 12. So how can you take? First dice get 1, other get 2. So this way you will take, we are taking the event. Second, 1, 5. First is getting 1, other is getting 5. Then you can take 2, 4, 2, 2. No, 2, 4 is 6 and other one is 2, comma will be your 2, 2, 2, 1, 3. Then you will take 3, 3 and next will be your 3 plus 3, 6. Then 3 and 6, 3 plus 6, 9. Then you will take 4, comma 2, 4 plus 2, 6. It is coming in the table of 3 or it is a multiple when you add it. After that 4, 5, 4 plus 5, 9. It is a multiple of 3. Then you will take 5, 1, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 is coming in the table of 3. Then you will take 5, comma 4. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we have to take 2 more. 6, comma 6, 12. It's coming on the table of 3 or the multiple of 3. One more will be there, 6, comma 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. So that means total element in the event will be 12. So probability will be 12 over total is 36. That is 1 by 3. So we have discussed the question of probability. Now the probability chapter is finished.